Today, we're making a classic French appetizer, tapenade. The recipe is wonderfully simple because all you have to do is grind all the ingredients together. It will probably take you just a few minutes. Of course, we need 160 grams of pitted olives. Today, I'm using black ones, but feel free to use green, red, or whatever kind you like. Drain them well and toss them into a food processor. Next, peel 2 small cloves of garlic and add them to the olives. There's no need to chop them. The next ingredient is capers. 1 teaspoon will be more than enough. Now it's time for the anchovies. Add 5 small fillets, along with a little of the oil they were packed in. Lemon. About 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed juice is all we need. Season with salt and pepper, but be careful with the salt, remembering that both the capers and the anchovies are already quite salty. At the very end, we add olive oil. To start, I suggest adding 40 milliliters. You can always add more if it turns out to be too little. Once all the ingredients are in, simply blend everything to the consistency you like. Some people prefer to feel chunks of olives, while others like it blended smooth into a rich, silky paste. Now the question arises, what do we eat it with? The answer is simple. With toast. Take a French baguette and slice a few pieces on the bias, just to make them look nice. Toss them onto a hot pan and keep an eye on them so they don't burn. Remember to let them cool before spreading the tapenade on top. Let me know in the comments what your favorite appetizer is. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.